Hello everyone, and welcome to Sequences and Series Make Sense Actually, a little project I've done. I just finished filming, and I realized that there is no introductory video, and so I'm making it now. Welcome. My name is Rex. A little bit about myself. This year, I transferred schools, and so I happened to take AP Calculus BC, Unit 10, Sequences and Series, twice. And both times, with very different teachers and very different teaching methods, I realized it doesn't make any goddamn sense. Should I say goddamn in this? Maybe I shouldn't say goddamn in this. I'm still going. I realized it didn't make any sense. And I thought it doesn't have to be. And the second time around, I started putting together reasons for why we're doing all of these things. There were a lot of arbitrary formulas that they'd tell us to use, and they wouldn't tell us what the formulas are doing or why we're using them or why they work. And so I figured out on my own how all of this stuff works and why it all makes sense, and I thought it was really cool. And I thought it was much easier to wrap your head around once you knew why any of it made some sense. So, as an independent project after the AP test, I've decided to make this, a little tutorial to get you through Calculus BC, Unit 10, Sequences and Series, or any equivalent thing in college. Some ground rules for this series. I'm just hanging out with you. This is pretty informal. It's relatively unscripted. I plan out what I'd like to talk about, but I make mistakes. Please be nice to me about that, please. Ground rules for you. I don't get into a lot of nitty-gritty specifics about the formulas or circumstances when you can use some of these things because I think they're boring and you can get them elsewhere. I get into a lot of the why and not as much as the example problems and using the definitions of the formulas themselves. My goal, or my hope, is that people will watch this alongside the AP classroom videos or an actual calculus class that you're taking. So please don't use this as your sole way to learn sequences and series, but I don't know, if you want to, by all means, go ahead. Ground rule number 2, please don't take notes. Again, I'm not going over the precise definitions of the formulas, and my goal is to give you a thinky, heady understanding of basically what these things are. I don't care so much for your the memorization and the knowing. I'm looking for more of the understanding. So please don't take notes. I think other than that, go ahead. I do some stuff out of order from how AP lays things out, but that's because I thought that's how they fit. So feel free to skip around. Enjoy the series. This was shot in my schools, the Mount Desert Island High School Trojans film studio. So thank you to Jeff Zaman for all of the film supplies. And thank you to any of my friends who helped me film this. I hope you enjoy the series. Good luck learning calculus.